Well, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm here. It's awesome. You might want to call it Mount Pleasant. We're actually on our way to take our RV in to the dealership because guess what? We are getting a new one. This vehicle here is named Bless, and we've had her for about 2.5 years, and she has served her purpose. One thing about this, I have to say, it's a little bittersweet moment because this thing right here, you crank her up, she'll get down the road with no problem. So I'm gonna be a little sad to kind of see her go. Yeah. But we're here in this shopping center here. Just trying to kill a little time until we get an opportunity to drive on in. Here at the parking lot in Mount Pleasant. It's like a shopping center. About 4 miles before we get to our destination.
As we transition out of our old RV, here we are, picking up our new motor coach. Guys, it's a Tiffin Allegro Red, and it's a QRA 40-foot diesel pusher. Guess what, guys? It matches our tow car perfectly. The colors match perfect. It has a great sized TV outside, great for those evenings of relaxing and watching those games with our guests and just taking a chill outside. Let us head inside so you can take a peek. We're so excited to share this view with you. Here we go. Josh. He's the owner of Best Preowned RV of South Carolina, and his trusted friend Jack, who's always by his side. Some days, Josh turns in his suit and tie and hops in the shop and helps out the guys as they work on some things. There's Jim. He's putting our tag on the new motor coach in preparation for us to pull out. And that's the old RV right there, pulled head in, and the new one is pulled headed out, side by side, as we unload some things out of the old into the new. And there's Thomas as he's checking all of the bays to make sure he's gotten all of the goodies out. He wants to check and make sure all the keys are there and everything's there so he can turn those keys in. On our new motor coach, everything's all ready, and we're headed to out, and we're ready to leave. We're here at Best RV Pre-Owned in South Carolina. And guys, this is an awesome place if you're looking for an RV motor coach of any kind. Check them out. While we're here on the premises of the dealership, let me just take you on a little tour of what items they have that are available for sale. They have everything from Class A's to Class B's, C's, fifth wheels, whatever you need, they have it. And what they don't have on the premises, if you let them know, they will get it for you. They have the best clean RVs there is. There we have a beautiful Class B there. For those that like the van life, that is a beauty, and that's a Mercedes. I highly recommend checking them out. They do have a website, and they have everything that's on their lot. They have it on their website where you can go in and look at the individual RVs and look at the insides of them. This is such a beautiful journey. It's a Winnebago journey. And it is a beauty nestled between the palm trees here on the premises. Walking along, we see another Class A here. So if you're in the market, guys, for any kind of RV, whatever size, it's a small size, Class A or large size, they have them, or they can get them for you. They have all been inspected and serviced, and they're ready for the road. These are some beauties here. And that's an open road right there, and it is a beauty. I highly recommend you guys take a look at the website and see inside of them. These are all available right now at the dealership on the premises. And the owner, Josh, would not mind if you guys come along, come on in and take a peek at them. That's a beautiful Soleil right there. That's quite a big fifth wheel right there. It's a long fifth wheel, but it's a beauty. For those that are in the market for a fifth wheel. And along this side here, coming up, we have some more Class A's. And all of these here are Tiffins. Different models, different years, but they're Tiffins. Very nice. And there we have a Class C. And over here, they have a new Class B van there that just came in, they said. And over here we have the shop, guys. Not only do they sell RVs here, they also service and maintenance RVs, and they don't have to be purchased from them. But if you need servicing and maintenance on your RV, no matter what brand, make, or model, they'll be happy to do that for you.
So now you had a chance to go along with us to watch us pick up our new RV at the best pre-owned RV of South Carolina. I hope you enjoyed this video, as now you get to see our beautiful new home. We purchased 2 of them from them, and both of our experiences has been beautiful. So we'd like for you to comment and let us know what you think. Share and like, and most of all, subscribe to our channel. We are the Golden Life Travelers. See you the next time.